Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat quick ad not showing up problem. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to fix the problem Snapchat does not show a quick ad, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, go to Snapchat and open our chats. As you can see below shows people you can add as friends. If you don't have anything here or you want to update the list, then click on your logo at the top left and select settings in the upper right corner. Next, scroll down and find clear data. Here we need to select the last line and clear the cache. Great. After that we go to the phone settings and look for the Snapchat app. It looks a little different on Android. The bottom line is that we need to first prevent the application from seeing our contacts and then allow them. So we will update them. Great. Go to Snapchat and as you can see the quick ad has been updated. If it wasn't there, then it should appear to you. Also, if this does not help, try going to the App Store or Google Play and check if you have the latest version of the application installed, and if there is an update button, then install the new version. Perhaps the developers have solved your problem. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You can also watch a playlist about Snapchat at the link in description if you still have any questions. Goodbye, have a nice day.